Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vijayawada and it is from Andhra Pradesh. Coming to the jobs, first one, there is a job opening available in Kargil. They are looking for assistant manager stores. Coming to the job purpose and impact, the assistant manager stores will provide technical support to the team performing organization activities inside the warehouse. They seek an organized professional who will organize the routine of their personnel who use equipment such as forklifts, transports, cranes, wheelbarrows and energy trucks to move materials, parts, assemblies and finished products. And this is the job purpose and impact. Coming to the key accountabilities, oversee the processing, packaging and storage of supplies, materials and equipment, coordinate the entire daily and monthly inventory system, plan, control and execute all movements including outsourced productions, and coordination, inspection process and availability of packaging by performing a daily follow-up with the distribution. And coming to the qualifications, bachelor's degree in a related field or equivalent experience is required for this job role, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, a software personnel is required for the company fields. They are looking for software personnel. Coming to the job summary, graduates in BSc or BCom or BTech computer sciences with adequate knowledge and efficiency to operate the software applications, and candidates with experience will be preferred. And there are 4 vacancies are available, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by sharing the resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is job opening available in Sky Goldtech and they are looking for business development executive. Coming to the responsibilities, assisting the organization's sales and growth efforts by contributing to new customer acquisition, providing ideas to attract new clients and keeping the senior management updated about marketplace and competitor activity, building contracts with potential clients to create new business opportunities, keeping prospective client database updated, making cold calls for new business leads, supporting in writing new business proposals, maintaining knowledge of all product and service offering of the company, arranging meetings for the senior management with prospective clients, and following company guidelines and procedures for the acquisition of customers, submission of tenders, etc. like that. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in SSL Alacrity Limited. They are looking for recruitment specialist. Coming to the key responsibilities, develop various job descriptions as finalized with company management, formulate HR policies to attract the best talent for the organization, monitor various job boards to create a pipeline of potential candidates and requirements, strong communication skills, minimum 3 years of experience in hiring and through understanding of best hiring practice, and degree in human resource from a top college in India are the requirements, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Jelf Study. They are looking for sales and marketing interns, and they will provide a letter of engagement and daily 1 hour of work from home, and you will work on branding or promotion, and good stipend will be given along with LOR, and experience certificates as a campus ambassador will provide, and interested candidates can apply for this intern by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Mondelez International. They are looking for warehouse and logistics executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, Cocoa warehouse management, up-to-date statutory payments and renewals, and quality of the inward and outward beans management with company specifications, people management, TPO, collection staff, workers education on quality requirement, inward beans quality and quality check always to control the shortages and wastages. And coming to the education, any graduate, preferably BTech food processing or BTech preferred, graduation with computer skills and knowledge of South Indian languages and Hindi are essential. And coming to the skills required, hands-on knowledge of agriculture, commercial orientation and innovation, communication and negotiation skills are required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is job opening available in Select Minds LLC. They are looking for a US IT bench sales recruiter. Coming to the key requirements, the candidates both passionate and highly skilled at finding and engaging with talent through internal and online resources. Resourceful, they encourage you to create innovative and resourceful sourcing strategies to find and attract the top passive and active talent, self-directed, able to work independently and as part of a team, and has the ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment, and is an avid problem solver, a continuous learner, and has a burning desire to be the best at what they do. And at last but not least, they will be an out of the box thinker and have a demonstrated track record of leveraging the social media outlets to positivity, build company brand recognition. And these are the key requirements. Coming to the responsibilities, build and execute sourcing plans to develop and maintain candidate pipelines, identify organizations with current needs, create project list in LinkedIn with viable hiring managers and or old candidates, and maintain the integrity of their applicant tracking system and update client information, and responsible for cultivating daily client prospect list and daily client prospect list outreach through cold calling, email marketing blast and more. And coming to the qualifications, and bachelor's degree is required and 1 year of experience in sales and or recruiting is required, solid verbal and written communication skills, and it will be critical to establish credibility and strong rapport through virtual communication, ability to work proactively in a fast-paced, target-driven environment and perform well under time constraints and changing deadlines, and familiarity with the with an applicant tracking systems, that is ATS, and client relation management systems highly preferred. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Exide Life Insurance. They are looking for relationship manager. Coming to the required skills, zeal to work in sales, and the candidates should be graduate and must have two-wheelers and and a smartphone. And desired skills and experience will be in sales, customer relations, performance consulting, sales process, insurance, cold calling, banking, direct sales, marketing, and sales presentations. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Good Worker. They are looking for operations manager. And coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidates should be operations manager, and planning skills and managing alliance are required, and experience will be 3 years, and freshers also can apply. And coming to the job summary, and you will work closely with a talented and diverse group of engineers, product managers and industry experts. What you will do: responsible for achieving ground sourcing targets assigned for the allocated districts, and responsible for identify and recommend potential district level alliance to the regional manager, drive ground level marketing activities. And plan initiatives at districts levels with regional manager to build the constant supply pipeline, and above average spoken and written communication skills in Hindi, English and regional languages of the state. And you should apply if selling skills, planning skills, proven track record in managing and achieving fulfillment or sales targets at a district level, and proven ability in mapping and managing alliance, especially with government agencies like district administration, local police authorities, etc. like that. And this is the job summary. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.